So you say
It's not that it's getting filed, but we have to initiate a code in the case to state that we have issued a document. That way, if it does get served and they go to verify, it's not just something that has a signature and a stamp on there.
yeah, I understand that.
So she's just going to verify what the process is.
Okay, because or procedure.
Yes.
Okay, because this. I mean, I'm not looking to file it in this.
No. I understand that, but we have to initiate something in the case to say that we have issued that
Documents
document.
issued by the court.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The star whatever documents issued.
Whether it's a summons, whether it's a subpoena, or even if it was a notice that we had to issue, we're not sure what that procedure is in this type of situation.
Okay, because I'm as far as I know, didn't the restraint on trade or commerce that Egan Walker ordered just said to file any more documents or initiate any more IFP. Yes?
Again, I'm not sure. I'm actually trying to see if I can find the instructions we received on this.
I mean, I have some representative instructions that I will be serving for filing into the circuit case. Workstation 6. But I don't know how you guys will get that without performing discoveries and producing demanded, evidence and testimony. Because I mean, it's like I understand if they're like a foreigner, they don't have rights because of the Nevada Constitution here. But I'm a citizen of this state, so like any definition of foreigner, whether it be foreign state or foreign nation or anything of that sorts, doesn't meet the criteria because I'm a citizen of Nevada. And I didn't deny a foreigner due process, and I didn't force the foreigner to use the subpoena power of the court. I quote unquote voluntarily was forced into a witness statement as the victim, as though Nevada looks at me as having the status of party and not just a party to the action. Article 1, Section 8A, Nevada Constitution. Ticket number H102. Please proceed to. Did you bring up the order?
I'm trying to find it right now.
Washoe County Sheriff's Office.
Right, I understand, but we don't have it readily available, so I'm trying to go through what we have here.
You're in the Washoe County Sheriff's Office case?
No.
That's where it should be at.
Right, but you've had multiple cases, sir, so I'm not sure which one it is.
Well, I'm telling you where it's at.
Ticket number R901. Please proceed to workstation 5.
Or particularly describing.
Okay.
See, here they go. Just stalling, stalling. You know, simulating legal process in forcible resistance there too. Just to try and use data, use data, use data, use data. Because they have this belief that parts of statutes are not severable for a particular purpose. And so they have this belief uh, engrossed that recording law enforcement activity has to be live. No, that's severable. Other suitable recording devices common.
Thanks, Gabriel. So we're gonna route it over to Department 7, okay?
For
review.
what? It's not getting filed here.
Correct.
I just need it issued.
Correct.
So why does anybody? I'm not requesting review.
But the judge is.
When? Since when?
Hold on.
On what date of passage?
Oh, if he's not in his office, he might be in the stairwell going up and down. Let's see. Sorry, I tried to launch VLC this morning and then it asked me for the password or something, and now I'm trying to get it to start up. That way it can. Or not.
That's a simple question
But you wanna
about date of passage.
start VLC again?
Aye.
So everything in your cases needs to be routed up to the chief
Says
judge
who?
because you have an order that deemed you as vexatious,
To that I can't do what?
so that you
Particularly.
can't file documents.
Okay, is that? Am I filing that?
Give me a second.
Am I
All right.
date of passage, please?
Give me a
Attempted date of passage, please. Attempted date of passage. Bill of attainder. Bill of attainder. Nevada Constitution, Article 1, Section 15. May 29, 2025, 2024. Resisting legal process, resisting execution of NRS 178391. Defined as levying war at NRS 196020. Crime of treason, NRS 196010. Category B felony. Nevada Constitution, Article 1, Section 19. Deprivation and denial of due process to compel witnesses in my favor. Not in a criminal case. So to also compel self-incrimination. Amendment 5, United States Constitution.
Ticket number P305. Please proceed
Can't,
to
I couldn't even get
Workstation 3.
a yes or no or an admit or deny on am I filing it. They won't. Contempt. Absconding. Failure to comply.
A joint petition with minor children, without. Are there minor children? Yes. Okay. Now, are both of you going to sign together, work through this together, or is it just gonna be you?
We're gonna both sign.
Okay. All right, with minor children. Now, there's a $284 filing fee. Would you be able to cover the cost, or would you need a fee waiver?
I have not consented to any magistrate. So this
I'll grab you the packet, yeah?
judge
Do I pay here or do I?
is a magistrate judge
Time of the
through
filing.
Department 7 in abridgment and infringement thereof.
All right, so once that's all complete and filled out, you'll come back and we can help you file it.
Okay, and then I have a question. Do I have to have the notary?
and I freely withhold that consent. I think, doesn't it say also withholding any passport, government issued ID, government document is also a crime?
So at this point, we haven't been able to get a hold of Chief Judge to find out if we can issue that document. So we can take it, we can route it up to him. You're welcome to contact Chief Judge and see.
Chief Judge who?
Chief Judge Walker.
Oh,
So we have a new Chief Judge.
oh.
So I don't know if you know, if you look right there on that computer screen,
I'm good.
that right there is Chief Judge Walker. So you're welcome to reach out to his department, but otherwise at this point, there's nothing we can
So
do.
you're going to withhold my government identity document?
So I'm happy to take your
It's a
document
crime.
and route it to Chief Judge,
It's a crime.
but at this point, we're not comfortable issuing it without
I
more
don't care if you're
information.
comfortable or not. You're breaking the law. You're committing crime.
So like I said, we'll take it, we'll route it up
It's
to Chief
treason
Judge.
and bill of attainder.
We have not been able to get a hold of him.
So what you
So-
you said I can't file. That's particularly what you just searched and seized upon.
You bet.
Am I filing that? Admit or deny?
We can't issue it either. I can send it up to Chief
That's
Judge.
not it's okay.
and
So
get-
now you're
if we get-
contemptuous in behavior.
Jordan, that's all we can do. I
Decorum.
can take it from you.
Decorum, please.
What's that?
Decorum, please.
If you would like for me to take that, I
No.
can take it and I can route. Okay, then there's nothing I can do for you right now. Okay, there's nothing I can do.
Yeah, there is.
No,
You
there
can
isn't.
issue the document as you're supposed to.
We
And stop
cannot
committing
issue
crime.
it.
Stop victimizing me, please.
We can't issue it.
Yes, you can.
No, we can't.
Yes, you
I don't have
can.
authority to do that.
You sure do.
So you're welcome to leave the document with us.
And then what?
I
And
will
how do I
route
get
it
it?
to Chief Judge.
And then how do I get it after that?
You can contact the department. You
They
can call
they
the
don't
resource
respond.
center
They
too.
don't respond.
You can call the resource center and you can ask whether we have further information. We can contact the department for you too. But without any document to route to them, you won't get a response either. Because they
Oh,
don't
yes,
know
I
what you're
will.
asking
Oh,
about.
yes, I will.
Okay, did you want to leave it with us?
No, but you're going to take it. So,
What's that?
no, but you're forcing it in human trafficking, peonage, and labor trafficking. So go ahead.
Oh, you have the document?
Go through your. I just said no. Why are you asking 20 times when I already just said no?
Ask 20, but thanks, Jordan.